Welcome. In this video we are going to learn Nmap port scanning using Armitage tool in Metasploit. We do learn this Nmap port scanning in MSF console. Armitage is a graphical user interface tool for Metasploit. Let's open up Armitage, go to Host tab. Here you can see that Nmap scan, it scans intent scan, and it also does intent scan plus UDP, all TCP ports, ping scan, and so on. Let's scan for TCP all ports. Here you can see that input prompt dialog box, type IP address scan range. Here I am typing hacking2.com IP address as 107.180.54.186. Here you can see that it will discover TCP ports, open ports 172.3.143.443 and so on, TCP on 107.180.54.186. Let's do intent scan with the ping option. Type 107.180.54.186. Here we can see that discovered open ports. Armitage is a graphical user interface tool, easy to exploit or scan. Select ping scan option. Type IP address as 107.180.54.186. Here you can see that our target PC is applicable for exploit. Now let's try with invalid IP address. Type 969.685.253.365. We can see that failed to resolve 969.685.253.365 invalid IP address. So that's it in this video on Nmap port scanning using Armitage. Thank you for watching this video.